Foldable phones have come a long way, but one issue still remains: the crease. No matter how premium your device is, once you unfold it, that visible line in the middle reminds you that we're not quite in the future yet. But what if I told you a crease-free foldable phone is actually possible? In today's video, we'll explore the science, challenges, and possible solutions behind making a foldable phone with a perfectly smooth display. Is it a dream or an inevitable innovation? Let's find out. Foldable tech is improving every year, and some experts predict we could see true crease-free foldable phones in the next 5 to 10 years. Interestingly, Apple has patents for crease-free folding displays, but no product yet. Samsung, Apple, and Oppo are already filing patents for next-gen foldables, and companies like Corning, makers of Gorilla Glass, are working on even stronger flexible glass. The day we unfold a phone and see a completely smooth display is coming sooner than we think. First, let's understand why creases form. A foldable screen isn't like regular glass. It's made of ultra-thin glass, UTG, with polymer layers for flexibility. But every time you fold and unfold, mechanical stress builds up. Over time, the molecules in the material shift, leading to a visible crease. It's like folding a piece of paper repeatedly. Eventually, the mark stays. But some brands are working hard to reduce it. Take the Oppo Find N and OnePlus Open. They use a water drop hinge that makes the bend gentler, reducing the crease depth. Samsung has improved their hinge too, but completely eliminating it, that's still a challenge. Now, let's talk about Apple. Apple is about to change the foldable phone game. Reports suggest that Apple is working on a crease-free foldable iPhone, set to launch as early as 2026. Unlike current foldables, which struggle with visible creases, Apple's version is expected to feature a seamless display, thanks to cutting-edge OLED panels from Samsung Display and ultra-thin glass from Corning. They are also partnering with Amphenol, the company behind MacBook hinges, to develop a next-gen folding mechanism. The rumored design includes a 7.8-inch inner display and a 5.5-inch outer screen, making it Apple's first true foldable. With Apple's reputation for innovation, could this be the foldable phone that finally gets it right? Let us know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.